stomach, pay attention to your digestion. That's why I'm in Yakult. Kasi, mabuti yan. So what are you waiting for? Buy the nearest store. Because Yakult is the #1 probiotic milk in town. In my experience, Yakult is the #1 probiotic fermented milk that helps avoid diarrhea and constipations, improving your digestion.